How to turn off activity status on Instagram for a specific person. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the search bar and search for the individual from whom you want to hide your activity status. Now, go ahead and tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and further tap on the restrict option you see there in the menu. Here, as you can see, if you restrict someone, then they will not be able to see when you are online or when you have read their messages. Their messages to you will be moved to message requests. So, go ahead and tap on the restrict button, and with this, they will no longer see your activity status. So, this is how you can turn off activity status on Instagram for a specific person. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.